Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is hello students. After completing the median yesterday in my previous video, we have discussed ogive, the next topic, which is the last topic of the exercise 14.4. And in my previous video I have discussed some basic things about the ogive. What is ogive? What are the types of ogive? How can you draw the ogive? These all things. And I have discussed one question from exercise 14.4 also. So now today I am taking the question number 2 of the exercise 14.4, and let's see how this can be solved. Since the question number 2 is, what is the question saying? During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. The weight is given: less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, and less than 50, and less than 52. Now the number of students are also given accordingly: 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, and 35. Now you need to draw a less than type ogive for the given data, and hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. So in this question, the less than series is already given. So let's see how we can work for solving it. Here it is given weight, and here the number of students. Number of students. So the weight is given in the less than series, less than 38. Similarly, less than 40. Similarly, less than 42. Less than 44. Less than 46. Less than 48. Less than 50, and less than 52. And their corresponding number of students are: less than 38 is 0, less than 40 is 3, less than 42, 5, 9, 14. So 5, 9, 14. After 14 there is 28, 32, 35. That is 28, 32, and 35. So in this question, your less than series accordingly and your cumulative frequency are given. Now you have to draw its ogive, that is the cumulative frequency graph. So to draw the graph, we have to draw two axes, that is one is x-axis and other is y-axis. Okay. Now the first is on x-axis, we have to take the upper limit, which is the less than 38 or 40. So to take it, we write here 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, and 52. This one, since it is not starting with 0, so you put ink after 0. It means that it is starting from 38. That is 38, 40, 42, thereafter 44, 46, 48 and 50, 52 and so on. Which is last? 52 is the last. You may write the scale of the graph also as you do previously. While you draw the graph of linear equation, that what one scale equals to how much unit. So you may write the graph also. And on x-axis, y-axis, you have to write the cumulative frequency. So you can see the highest cumulative frequency is 35. So you can take 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 and so on. So now the first point will be your less than 38 is 0. So your first point will be here on x-axis. Less than 40 is 3. So it will be like here, just below 5. Thereafter 42, 5. So it will be here. Thereafter 9, 44, 9. So 9 will be like this. 46, 14. 14 will be, I think, here. When you plot it on the graph, you will get the aggregate position. 14, thereafter 48, 28. So 28 your will be just below the 30, like here, and 50, 32. 50, 32, just little above of 30, that is 32, and 52 for 52 it is 35. So like this. Now you have to join two points by little curve in this way. Yes, in this way, then you will get the OGIF, required OGIF for this distribution. Now there is another thing in this question you need to do. Another thing is you have to find the median. So here n equals to 35, which is last cumulative frequency. So now you calculate n by 2. N by 2 will be 35 by 2 equals to 17.5. Now you take 17.5 on the y-axis. So it is 15, and suppose this is 17.5. Draw a line parallel to x-axis, and suppose it intersect the curve here, and from here you draw a line parallel to y-axis. So I think it is approx 46. 46 approx is your median. Median is how much? Approx 46. Now you need to verify this median by your general formula of calculating median. So if you want to verify, then you convert this class series into, let's we do verify what median comes. So first you take class interval. Your class interval is less than 38. So you may take 36 to 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, and 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. This is your class interval, and your frequency Fi is to calculate, and your cumulative frequency is given. Cumulative frequency is what? which is given 0 to 38 is 0, and now it is 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28. 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Now you have to convert the, you have to find out the frequency from the cumulative frequency. So first you write 0, thereafter subtract 3 minus 0 will be 3, 5 minus 3 will be 2, 9 minus 5 will be 4, 14 minus 9 will be 5, 28 minus 14 will be 14, and 32 minus 28 will be 4, and 35 minus 32 will be 3. So this is your, now you calculate n equals to sigma fi equals to what? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 14 28, 28 plus 4 32 plus 3 35. Here it is 35. Now children, we have to find the median of it. So here again you calculate n by 2. N by 2 will be 35 by 2, which is 17.5. Now you see in the class frequency table, where does this class cumulative frequency will lie? So your in the cumulative frequency table, 17.5 is greater than 14 but less than 28. So I think this is your median class. Median class is your, the corresponding class having cumulative frequency 28. This is your median class. Now apply the formula for median. So now you see here, median equals to, you know the formula, median equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Now your L is 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus Cf of the class preceding the median class, that is 14, and frequency of the median class is 14, and the class size is 2. So this, so now you simplify this, 46 plus 3.5 by 14 into 2. So it will be 2 7 ja and 7.5. So I think 46.5 is the required median, which by graphical method we have written 46 as approx. So in this way you see that the median calculated by drawing the ogive is same to the median obtained by general formula of calculating median. They are nearly approx. When we calculate the median by using formula, your median is 46.5, and when we calculate the median through ogive, we got 46 approx in rough manner. When you put the ogive on graph paper, you will get the accurate. So in this way children, we have completed this question. First we draw the ogive of the given series, and thereafter we find the median by using the formula of median. So this question is completed. Now let's see one more question each of this exercise. Thereafter your statistics will complete, and now it is up to all of you children that all of you practice these questions again and again, so that you could do better whenever your examination will be taken. So now let's see the question number 3rd. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production is given 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and 75 to 80. Now the number of farms are given 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its ogive. This is a question of more than type of the series. So first we will draw the table. So in the table it is given that suppose this is your question number 3rd. Production here it is production and number of farms and your production is what 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and thereafter 70 to 75 and 75 to 80. This is the, and the number of farms is given 2, 8, 12, 24, 38, 16. Now you have to change the given frequency distribution in more than type. So first you write more than series. Previously we created less than series, but now it is more than type ogive. You need to draw. So first we complete the more than series. So first we take the lower limit. So first we write more than 50, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 70, and more than 75. Now this is your, and now the corresponding frequencies will be at altogether more than 50 is 2, yes it is 2, more than 55 will be 10, thereafter 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 12 22, 22 plus 24 will be I think 46, 46 plus 38 84, 84 plus 60 will be 100. So more than 75 are all 100. So this is the table being created. Now you have to plot it. So draw the two axes, x-axis and y-axis. This is origin. On x-axis you have to take the lower limit, so it is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. And on upper limit you need to take all on y axis, you need to, here it is lower limit, and on y axis it is class frequency, cumulative frequency. So it will be, I think, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 20 का ले लेते हैं ना. Yes, suppose it is 20, 40, 60, 80, and it will be 100 for symbolically. Now it is 52. On 50, the cumulative frequency, suppose this is 2, just above the 55, 10. So 55, suppose it is 10, 60, 22. It is 60, so this is 20 and this is suppose 22. 65, 46. 65, 40 and little bit upper, so 46. 70, 84. 70, 80 and little upper 84. And 75, 100. So it will be your 100. So when you draw, your ogive will be this. So in this way, your ogive has been completed. So this is the children. No. I think there is some mistake. Okay. Yes. So when you need to plot the point, this is little bit mistake. In table it is mistake. More than 50, it means you need to write all things. Just you revert it. This is your, now here you draw the cumulative frequency. Okay, first you create the cumulative frequency, CF. So cumulative frequency will be 2, 10, 210 is for 22, 46, 84 and 100. Now you have to write the so you start writing from this side. So it will be 16. Yes, 16. 16 plus 38. 16 plus 38 will be, no need to write it. Leave it. Just you reverse the process. First you write more than 75. That is, which is 16, and more than 70 will include both more than 70 plus more than 75. So add 16 plus 38. So it will be 4, that is 54. So it will be 54. Similarly, 54 plus 24. 54 plus 24 will be 448 plus 2, 78. So it will be 78. Again, 78 plus 12, 78 plus 10, 88 plus 2, 90. So it will be 90. And 90 plus 8, 98. And 98 plus 2, 100. So this is the correct table. In this case, you have to start writing from right side, which is the last class. More than 75 is 16. So we have written first 16. Thereafter, just you add and write. 16 plus 38 will become 54. 54 plus 24 will become 78. 78 plus 12 will become 90. 90 plus 8, 98. And 98 plus 2 will be 100. Now we plot the points. So it will be more than 50. More than 50 is 100. So here it will be 100. Just you put king here. So 100. Thereafter 98. Just below it 98. 90. So just below it 98 and just below it 90. Thereafter 78. 78 will be like this and 54. So 54 will be like this and last 75 16. So 16 will be this. So this is the real shape of the your more than type series. I told you earlier, students, in more than series, it will start through y-axis and comes to the x-axis. So in this way, your this topic statistics has been completed. Now all of you required to practice it again and again to complete by yourself. Okay, thank you.